In today's competitive business landscape, managing customer relationships effectively is just as crucial as managing projects efficiently. Customer relationship management, CRM, systems provide businesses with the tools to organize, automate, and synchronize sales, marketing, customer service, and technical support. Project management platforms, on the other hand, focus on planning, executing, and tracking tasks and projects. This often leads to the question for businesses seeking an all-in-one solution. Does ClickUp, a popular project management tool, also function as a CRM? The answer, in short, is that ClickUp offers significant CRM-like capabilities and features, but it is not a dedicated, full-fledged CRM system in the traditional sense. While it might not have every single bell and whistle of specialized CRM software like Salesforce or HubSpot, ClickUp provides a robust set of tools that can effectively manage customer interactions, track leads, and nurture relationships within its project management framework. Think of ClickUp's approach to customer relationship management as an integrated extension of its core project management functionalities. Instead of operating as a separate module, CRM features are woven into the existing structure of lists, tasks, custom fields, and automation. This allows teams to manage both their internal projects and their external client relationships within a single, unified platform. One of the key ways ClickUp facilitates customer relationship management is through its customizable lists and views. You can create dedicated lists to track leads, prospects, and existing clients. By utilizing different views like Table View, Board View, similar to a Kanban board, or Calendar View, you can visualize your customer pipeline in a way that makes sense for your workflow. For instance, a sales team might use a board view with columns representing different stages of the sales process, such as new lead, qualified, proposal sent, and closed one. Custom fields are another powerful tool in ClickUp for managing customer data. You can create fields to capture essential information about your contacts, such as company name, contact person, email address, phone number, lead source, deal value, and any other relevant details. These custom fields allow you to organize and filter your customer data effectively, providing a centralized repository of information. Furthermore, ClickUp's task management features play a crucial role in managing customer interactions. Each customer or deal can be represented as a task, allowing you to assign responsibility, set deadlines for follow-ups, and track all related activities. You can create subtasks for specific actions, attach relevant documents like contracts or proposals, and leave comments to keep all communication organized and accessible. Communication with clients can also be managed within ClickUp. While it doesn't offer direct email integration in the same way a dedicated CRM does, you can use task comments to record communication history and at mention team members or even external guests for collaborative discussions. This ensures that all client-related communication is documented within the context of the specific customer or deal. The automation capabilities of ClickUp can significantly enhance your customer relationship management efforts. You can set up automation rules to trigger actions based on changes in task status or custom field values. For example, when a lead moves to the qualified stage, you can automatically assign a sales representative, schedule a follow-up task, or send an automated email notification using ClickUp's email integration or a third-party connector. These automations streamline your processes, ensuring timely follow-ups and consistent engagement with your leads and clients. ClickUp Docs provides another valuable feature for managing customer-related information. You can create and store important documents like meeting notes, onboarding guides, or service-level agreements directly within ClickUp, linking them to specific clients or projects for easy access. This centralized document management ensures that everyone on your team has the information they need at their fingertips. While ClickUp offers these robust CRM-like features, it's important to acknowledge where it differs from dedicated CRM systems. Traditional CRMs often include advanced features like comprehensive email marketing tools, detailed sales forecasting, sophisticated reporting and analytics specifically tailored for sales and marketing, and deeper integrations with other marketing automation platforms. ClickUp's strengths lie primarily in project and task management, with its CRM functionality.